Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, November 1st, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade signals, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34-video trading course all included for only $30 per month. So on the Aussie dollar, definitely closed very, very bearish on the monthly candle yesterday. There's probably a very good chance that this is going to end up going down, probably retesting all these lows before we do possibly get that attempt on the uptrend that we've been waiting for. So let's take it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, we got a breaker structure on the weekly now also, which pretty much proves that this last move up is over. Definitely looks like this last move up is more of a like 1, 2, 3 pattern, which means that this is either going to be 1, 2, 3 down for more like a WXY, or possibly it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves down for more like a flat pattern. So either way, let's take it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame is where you can start to see the lower lows, lower highs that have been making up this downtrend. We still don't have a breaker structure to the upside. So we still can't say that this first move down is over, which is either a wave 1 of a 5 wave downtrend, or it's a wave A of that WXY, so a wave A of Y. Now we have non-farm payroll coming out today, and then on Tuesday is the U.S. election. So I think at some point we probably will get a push up, and it probably will start the move to the upside, which should be a crescent to this move down for either that wave B or the wave 2. So going down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, like I said, we do not have a breaker structure, but now that this pretty much did make a new lower low yesterday, it is a little bit of a higher high, but it's definitely close enough, I think, to call it a lower low, especially looking at the Kiwi dollar, which did make a lower low. So now that we got that, we can move our structure level down to here, which means that we have a much, much closer level to help confirm that this whole move is over when and if it does break that structure. So anyways, let's take it all the way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame, like, the higher time frames are definitely still in a downtrend. And today is non-farm payroll. Today's news really doesn't have to cause the breaker structure. I mean, this could go down again very, very easily. It could be Tuesday's election in the U.S. that causes this breaker structure, which is on November 5th. So don't think that this has to go up and break structure today. It definitely doesn't have to. I think there's a good chance that either today or on Tuesday it is going to break structure. But until I actually do get that breaker structure, I'm still looking for shorts in a downtrend. Once we do get that breaker structure, I'll be more than happy to start looking for longs after the breaker structure and after the pullback that comes after that structure break. So anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.